Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus to your Android device. You have to start by open Settings. Now go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Click on Pair New Device. Now you should open the case. Then press and hold this button for at least 5 seconds. Here we go. Now click on Beats Studio Buds Plus. Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!